Hello and welcome to Security on Screen. My name's Peter Mawson, and today I'm delighted to introduce you to Georges Verdis. Georges is the CEO of London Executive, a niche real estate company bringing foreign investment to the London residential market. He also manages the day-to-day running of London Executive, where he takes investment in IT very seriously, returning 5% of annual turnover on new technology. Georges comes to London Executive with a hospital management training background. Georges, welcome to Security on Screen, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me on, Peter.
Georges, I was interested to understand how you're using one piece of tech in your business. I wanted to talk to you today about the KeyWatcher product, which is a product I understand you invested in back in 2004. Can you help me understand why that was, please?
Absolutely. So at that time when we came over in 2004, we had just changed premises. And our business has been operating since 1992. And one of the challenges that we had found was with keys about losing them, not knowing where they are, and pretty much just a sense of just having all of them in one cupboard with a folder with all the addresses behind the codes. We just felt for the type of properties we were managing and looking after was not probably the best way of looking after them.
You operate at a high-end level of property in specific areas in London. So management of keys does need to be taken to another level. How does KeyWatcher help you show your clients that you understand the management of the estates and the properties?
Of course. So just to put things into context, the sort of minimum value of properties that we're looking after is £1 million and over. So that also means that the contents of those properties are highly valuable, what is inside them. Now, in terms of the keys, how we're using them is that the advantage that KeyWatcher gives us is it tells us who is holding what key, when they picked it up. And we also have what we call an alarm system where 24 hours later, if those keys have not been returned back, we get notified.
It sounds to me like you identified smart key management was critical to your success early enough to deliver it. Thank you, Georges, for taking time to explain that to us.
Pleasure.